power rule, this is pretty powerful. The power rule says that if you have a coefficient in front of the logarithm, you can then move that coefficient, and I like to draw an arrow here, up, and it becomes an exponent on the, not the base, but what you're taking the log of. Okay, so in this case we have 3 times log base 5 of x. Well, the 3 can be moved up here based on the power property to an exponent, so it's log base 5 of x cubed. And that's applying that power rule, or condensing. Now this one's kind of interesting. We have a coefficient, so we can distribute that coefficient to both logarithms, but we also know that when we have a coefficient in front, that just means it's a power. So let's go like this. Let's go ahead and distribute that. So 5 times log base 2, or log of 2, plus, 5 times log of y. Now, we know that this 5 can then be moved as an exponent. So we now have log of 2 to the 5th plus log of y to the 5th. And now we've got addition. So we know when we condense, we use the product rule, and we're going to get 2 to the 5th, that's 32, times y to the 5th. And there we go. And that is after we have condensed. So let's box that answer, and that's how you condense.